Now get this. So, if the current web is the problem, what's the solution? Well, this gets us right to the core mission of parallel web systems. They want to create a whole new layer of infrastructure, a kind of parallel web designed from day one, specifically for machines. And they're doing it based on four key principles. First, instead of humans clicking and scrolling, AIs will use machine-friendly interfaces to just ask for the result they need. Second, to kill those hallucinations, every single fact comes with proof, evidence, and attribution, so you actually know and trust where it came from. Third, the data isn't a messy web page. It's served up in a structured, actionable way that machines can actually use. And finally, flexible compute means developers can control exactly how deep their AI goes, managing the cost and complexity of the research. Okay, so that all sounds great in theory. But how does it actually perform in the real world? Let's take a look at how this new web for machines stacks up against, well, pretty much everyone else. And the results are kind of wild. There's this benchmark from OpenAI called BrowseComp. It's a test to see how well an AI can navigate the live web to answer really complex questions. Parallel Systems scored a 58% accuracy. Now get this, that's not just better than OpenAI's own next-gen GPT-5 model, it's more than double the accuracy of a human analyst who was given 2 hours to do the same tasks. Now, this is a super important point. Don't think of this as another Google or another search engine. That's not what it is. Think of Parallel as the plumbing, the foundational infrastructure. It's not a product you'll use directly, it's the service that all the other AI apps will be built on top of. It's just like how tons of apps use Stripe for payments or Twilio for messages, and you never even know they're there. But Parallel is trying to solve more than just a technology problem. They're also taking a swing at a huge, growing economic problem that honestly threatens the future of the open web as we know it. Here's the vicious cycle we're in right now. AI companies scrape insane amounts of data from websites to train their models. But the publishers, the people who actually created that content, they don't see any traffic or ad revenue from that. So what's their response? They're throwing up paywalls, locking their content down, which just makes the web less useful and less open for everybody. So Parallel's big, ambitious solution is to create a whole new economy. Imagine an open marketplace where a publisher can basically register their content. And then, every single time an AI agent uses a piece of their data, the publisher gets paid a little bit. It turns this zero-sum fight into a win-win. It creates a brand new revenue stream for creators and gives them a reason to keep their quality content available for machines.